What it is, YouTube, Flav Media, happy 2024 to all the content creators, mixers, producers, engineers out there. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. Back at it with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Maschine hardware, and we're going to be talking about providing foundation with Maschine and Logic, tandemly going together. Let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so we're going to be listening first to the quick sweet Vox, and this was from Glaze. This was absolutely free, and I'll leave a video right here where you can go check it out, but this was the initial concept of the whole idea right here. So that was the initial concept of the whole idea. I also threw a bass on here, and that was After the Snow. Sound kind of fat, right? And I also put a Noctua on there, another great free plugin. Go get it. And with the combo, all three, it sounds like this. So it has filters. That's what it's about, capturing some magnificent tones. What I'm going to do is just play a little bit of what's on the hardware of Maschine, and it's a combination. So I'm running this in combo mode. You know, you have something here, you have Logic, you can have another outboard compressor, you can have another outboard synth rack, sampler. It doesn't matter. It's putting it all together. Group A. So that's group A, B, right, and C. That's all I'm using for right now. And we'll build on to that. It's just getting the concept down. What I'm gonna do is just let you hear it. Running different patterns just in that initial 4 or 8 bar loop, and that's what it's about. You can do it on, you know, a standalone machine by itself. It gets complicated sometimes. Listen to that again. This is just solo, so now we get ready to take the blanket off and reveal other things that you can do with the hardware, with Maschine, and with the software of Logic Pro X. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you hear a couple of scenes from Maschine, scenes from Logic. It's all the same as scenes into a, you know, seamless sequence. You know, that's what it's all about, just creating and not getting too technical with it. Let's hear what we have from the top. I know everybody do their snare rolls different. It's a way that is real creative on the timeline, whatever it is, just do it. And that's the whole point of the video, combining 2 different pieces of software, hardware combined, and coming up with something fantastic. If you like this type of content, make sure you click the like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification, please. We're gonna take part starts out. And, you know, make sure you click the like and subscribe and follow me on the next video. We're gonna make it interesting, you know. Just come back, will you, please?